Our first morning on our first road trip towards Bornholm. We're having a little bit of food here, some oatmeals with peanut butter and apples. We slept really well in the car. Needs to sleep more. Anyway, let's see where the journey brings us, and also the weather is not too bad, so we're in luck. See you guys on the road. So our second day on the road, going towards Bornholm. We're really close to Sweden. We're on Amma right now. We're gonna go and take a walk towards the troll, and we're actually
2 shots of vodka.
We're live on stream, of course. We also slept pretty well in the car. Finally. So I think Sally is a success.
Yeah.
And we're both really happy. So yeah. Can't wait to show you guys more of today. See you around. Hello and good morning.
Hello.
The 4th day on the road and our last day in Sweden. We're having an off day today. It's Sunday, and we're slowly gonna go to Ystad and have a gym day and relax day and get a shower and stuff like that before we reach Bornholm tomorrow. So we're gonna go get some food soon, and right now we are on this beautiful view. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Are you excited to see Bornholm?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
It's gonna be awesome. Also made an appointment with my mom.
Yay.
We're gonna go and meet her on Wednesday. But tomorrow on Tuesday is gonna be Bornholm exploration. Anyway, see you guys soon. Our first shower of the trip, absolutely lovely. We just went into the gym up here. It's called Nordic Wellness, and Edith is in there as well. Just waiting for her because there's sauna and everything in there, so super nice and exactly what we needed. So super mellow, chill off day today. It was necessary. Can't complain. And tomorrow Bornholm is gonna be lit. Why?
How did you sleep?
I slept okay.
Okay,
I actually slept really good. It was very warm and cozy.
that's good.
Yeah. How did you sleep?
Not good.
Of course. Hello! The second day of Bornholm. And we're gonna go and see a waterfall right now. It's gonna be really nice. And then see some other nature stuff. It's gonna be lit. And yeah, so much to see today. It's gonna be lit. Enjoy it! Ah! No water. I can't believe the waterfall was dry.
Yeah.
AKA no waterfall. Another day on Bornholm, and hello. We're gonna go watch some
Runes.
rune carvings in stones or something like that, and then go see a little seaside town. Was it Elling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's so windy.
It's super windy today. It's crazy,
And gray.
crazy windy, but and grey, and cold,
And grey and cold.
but
and
dry. Yeah.
I missed the summer already.
Yeah, and now we're going up to the summer of Norway very soon.
The winter of Norway.
It's gonna be great. Anyway, guys, let's get on the go. I just want to state here for the vlog that for the first time ever, I actually won something. A game. Right. Look at that. Yeah. I won.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Another day in Bornholm, and the weather is finally great.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sun is shining. Tractor is noisy, but it is what it is. We just arrived in Østerlars Church, and we're gonna explore Gudhjem and some other things today, which is gonna be absolutely great.
Yeah.
So more stuff to see. Peace out.
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Our last day in Bornholm. Well, we're actually on the ferry right now to get back to Sweden, and then yeah, we're gonna spend some time there and then go back to Copenhagen. It's been some nice days here.
A good week.
A whole week with good weather and nice people, and it's just been great seeing a lot of family as well. Well, I can see we need to drive in on the boat now, so I'll see you guys on the mainland. Thank you for hanging out with us. Peace. Our first morning in Denmark, or back on the island of Copenhagen. Ida's chilling right here behind me. And we're gonna go into Copenhagen today, and it's gonna be absolutely lovely. I think it's 10:30 a.m. right now. We just prepared the car. I need to go for my morning toilet routine, and then we're taking Sally into a spot we're gonna park and then visit Copenhagen. So first day of exploring Copenhagen. We also got tomorrow, and on Thursday we're gonna go climbing, so it's all gonna be very exciting. It's gonna be lit. Let's see where we take it. Thank you for being a part of the road trip. We appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe to support future content, and we're looking forward to many more adventures with you. Have a very nice day.